I had to cut out this piece on the front of the rocker on the driver's side. It was pretty well rusted. By cutting it out, I had access to the inner rocker, which needed repair as well. All that's repaired right now, but I don't want to try and put back this rusty piece of mess. So what I've done is I've made a mold out of this. I can't really hammer against this because I'm using 16 gauge and it just won't hold up to hammering on that. So what I did was I made several small pieces to fit in to get that detail, just like that. And I'm going to tack them together, and eventually I'll have this piece and this piece welded up into a single piece, and hopefully when we're done it looks something like that. So here's the original part. Here's the detail in that part. Here's the part that I made all welded up. I'm gonna now grind down these welds. Here's the original. Here's the piece I fabbed up. I bent up this bottom piece. These profiles match pretty well. So I'm gonna start trimming it up and fitting it in. We're almost there. I'm trying to creep up on the dimensions so that I don't cut off too much. Prepare them. I have it fitted in there now. I kind of screwed up with the gapping along the top, but the way it fits along the back and the bottom is really good. I will tack this in. Before we do any of that, I have to clean up around all these edges so that they can be easily welded. After welding comes grinding. And there you have it. One rusted rocker panel repaired.